Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check your Instagram followers. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the top of your profile, you'll find the exact number of your followers. As for me, I have 17. So if you want to check your followers, just click on your followers, and from here you can tap on a username or profile picture to visit their profile. For example, let's visit this profile, and once I'm here, feel free to send a message, to follow back, and to view their photos. Now going back to your followers page, you can easily see the accounts that you don't follow back. The indicator is when there is a follow button beside their username. So easily follow them back by tapping the follow button, and you may also remove a follower by clicking at remove. And when you do this, Instagram won't notify the users when you remove them from your followers. So that's how you can easily check your Instagram followers. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!